Welcome to Infused Eats, the cannabis-infused cooking show with a cannabis-infused host. Today we're going to be taking a deeper dive into herbs and cannabis. Terpenes, terpenoids, and flavonoids are the organic chemical compounds found in plants that give them their flavor and aroma. Many common culinary herbs also have common terpenes with cannabis plants. Rather than burying the flavor of cannabis in infused recipes under a ton of sugar or chocolate, you can use these common terpenes to marry the cannabis flavor into the recipe. By welcoming the flavor of cannabis into the recipe, you can open up the door to a vast amount of infused foods that are truly delicious and not just barely tolerable. Basil is one of the most common culinary herbs, with hundreds of varieties available, such as lemon, cinnamon, and even chocolate basil varieties. Sweet basil is the most commonly used. The most abundant terpene in cannabis plants is myrcene, which is also found in basil, among other herbs. It's characterized as having an earthy or musky, clove-like, and fruity aroma. It's associated with sedative and pain-relieving effects. Another commonly used herb is oregano, which gets part of its peppery bite from the presence of the terpene caryophyllene, especially spicy oregano, as shown here. Caryophyllene also contributes to some of cannabis strains' black pepper aroma, and it's the only terpene specifically known to bind to the CB2 receptor of our endocannabinoid system.